Hello and welcome to Code with Joe. In today's video, I will show you how to list your token, your KCC token on Koffeeswap. In my last video, I did show you how to create a token on the KuCoin chain, and today we will take this token and deploy it on Koffeeswap. Koffeeswap is the same thing as Uniswap is to Ethereum and PancakeSwap is to the Binance Smart Chain. And Koffeeswap looks like this. It actually looks a little bit different from the looks of it. It has charting built in. And we have here a Pro. This is where you can trade your tokens. Actually, let me connect my wallet here. So we can actually purchase token with KCS. So KCS is the native currency for the KuCoin chain, and you can currently only pick up KCS at the KuCoin exchange. I will leave a link in the description. If you use my link, then you get a kickback. Oh, here's the exchange. So if you use my link in the description, you get a kickback, I get a kickback, everybody is happy. So be sure to use that link. And yeah, once you have bought KCS token, send them to MetaMask. I have done my tutorial on this already, so I'm not going to go into detail about this anymore. So as you know, hopefully you watched my last video, I created a token. The token was here Cappuccino, and we find all the information about this token on the KCC Explorer, which is basically the same as Etherscan is for Ethereum and BSC scan is for the Binance Smart Chain. It looks a little bit different, but so you have to get used to this layout. But other than that, it basically works the same as BSC scan or Etherscan. So I got here my token. I copy here the address of my token. Now let's go over to Koffeeswap. So here's here we can swap token. There's a pro version, a basic version. This looks like Uniswap. Then we have an expert modus where we can select a slippage of token, etc. And we have a pool, and this is the pool where we create the liquidity pair for our token that we just created. So we click here on create pair. So the token pair will be KCS, and the pair that we created with is our token. So I paste in here the contract of my token, and it might take a minute for it to show up here. Here we go. This is the token that I created. It's called Cappuccino. It fits to Koffeeswap. Import it here. Okay, we trade at our own risk. Import. Now we can set the token price. So we have to watch here for the token price. So I will use 0.5 KCS. Keep in mind the price of the KuCoin token is really low. So it's currently $11.90, so around $12. So, and as I said in all my other videos on how to create a liquidity pair, it is always recommended to use as much liquidity as possible when you want to create a legit token. But as I said, this is just a demonstration token, so I just use here a little bit just to show you how this works. And here we have our total supply of the token. I'm not even sure how much this is. 100. I think it's 100 million token. So I use the maximum supply, and then down here we can see the price of our token. So currently you receive 200. What is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 200 million tokens. So it's the total supply. 100. So 100 million is the total supply, and let me actually change this to 1. So for 1 KCS you actually can purchase the whole 100 million token. You know, if yeah, but I will just set it back to 0.5, and with one KCS token you could actually purchase 200 million token, but we only have 100 million token. That's why it says here 200 million token per KCS. So I will leave the settings here, and you can play around here until you find the correct starting price for your token. But I will, you know, since it's just for demonstration, I will leave it at these settings. So first we have to approve it. It's the same as we have done on all the other exchanges, and it only costs 0.1 cent, so it's really cheap. Okay, but it's not really that faster than Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, then if we're happy with the settings, then we click here on create pool and supply, and then we confirm this transaction in MetaMask. And creating a liquidity pair cost me right now, unfortunately you don't see my MetaMask account, but it cost me 0.03 KCS plus the 0.5 KCS that we use in the liquidity to create the LP pair. So the whole transaction cost me 0.53 KCS. So this is around $6.50 at the current price. Okay, and this was quick. Transaction submitted. Still pending up here. Okay, perfect. So we created our liquidity pair. So this is the position. So let me go back here to add liquidity. So now we can see our liquidity pair. Manage, and we find some information about, you know, our liquidity pair. So let me actually look for the token here on Koffeeswap. If we see a chart or something, I'm going to use the basic. Actually, I'm using the Pro. Let me see if we can find select token. So I'm going to copy the contract address here again of our token, and I paste it down here. Okay, I don't know why it's not doing anything. Select the token. Okay, so I have to paste in my token in here. We find no results, so I guess we have to wait a couple seconds. Here it is. I click on it, and no transactions found, of course, you know, no, because we just created the liquidity pair. Then we already have the chart right here, so we don't have to use an external site for charting, which is actually, I really like this. And here we can purchase KCS token. So I'm going to buy my own token because I have added 100% anyways to the liquidity pair. So I'm going to purchase 0.1, and it has a price impact of 16%, and I get around 16 million 16 million token for 0.1 KCS. Click here on buy. Now my MetaMask pops up, and the transaction is also really cheap. Click here on confirm, and we should actually see now something on the chart when the transaction goes through. Okay, so the swap was successful. Now I have 0.63 KCS token and 16.6 million cappuccino token. Yeah, it's not enough data for the chart yet, but you know, if we have a lot of trades, then you know, we will also see something on the chart. But yeah, this is it, how simple it is to deploy a token to Koffeeswap. And this is it already for this tutorial. If you like this video, be sure to smash the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more cryptocurrency programming videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.